Governor of the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, Eccb, Timothy Antoine, says he believes vaccination is a key tool in the global arsenal against the COVID-19 pandemic. He encourages those in the Eastern Caribbean Currency Union, ECCU, who are not yet fully vaccinated to do so in order to help bring the pandemic under control. As of November 1st, there have been 35,947 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the ECCU, with 32,056 recoveries and 680 deaths. Governor Antoine pointed out that unvaccinated people have accounted for 95% of COVID-19 deaths in the ECCU.
A key tool in this pandemic is vaccination. And we have to be very clear-eyed about what it is that we're talking about. I don't think one could be neutral on this issue because it touches and concerns lives and livelihoods. And by the way, I don't think it's all livelihoods. I think it's both. So let us control the pandemic by using the tool at our disposal. I think Pope Francis said, let us do it as an act of love. I agree with the Pope. Let us use the tool as an act of love, first of all, for ourselves, and if not for ourselves, our loved ones, our countries, and our currency union.
Governor Antoine went on to commend the proactive action taken by the ECCU government with respect to their vaccination rollouts.
We find ourselves being listed as high risk by the CDC. And the CDC telling its citizens, the US citizens, for example, not to travel to these countries. Or if you're going to do so, make sure you're fully vaccinated. Of course, we want them to be fully vaccinated to come in, to protect us. But the point is we need tourism. We can say all we want about the diversification of these economies. The truth right now is that tourism is our mainstay, and that is not changing anytime soon. We need tourism back. In the ECCU, about 80,000 jobs, direct jobs, come from tourism. There's some people who have not earned anything for 18 months. How long must we continue? And then the governments, they are limited. There's only so far they can go with the best intention in the world. So I hear people calling for stimulus and more stimulus. From where? You have to have it either in fiscal buffers or you have to borrow it, which is debt. And when you borrow, you have to pay back. That probably means taxes at some point in time. Let us connect the dots and realize we can take responsibility to help this pandemic, to help end this pandemic.
The governor of the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank took the opportunity to express gratitude for the tireless efforts of doctors, nurses, allied health workers, including laboratory and testing professionals and other frontline workers who continue to serve in a very selfless way to help the people of the ECCU. I'm Audrey Huey for SKN Newsline.